let's have a look at Pythagoras. Now remember, we must have a right angle to be able to do Pythagoras. And as we've talked about previously, the opposite side to the right angle is the hypotenuse. Pythagoras' rule is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. What this means is that the two shorter sides of the triangle squared is equal to the longer side. So here, A, B, and C. C is always the hypotenuse. C is always the hypotenuse. The longer side is always what that's equal to. So let's have a look at an example. If I have a triangle that is 6, 8, and I have to find the other side, let's call it X, or C if that's what you want to do. So here, we've got side A and B. Doesn't matter if it's B and A, doesn't have an impact on the result. So I'm going to have A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. A squared, 6, plus B squared, 8 squared, is equal to C squared. Just going to swap these around. So C squared is equal to 6 squared plus 8 squared. Always like to have my unknown on the left hand side. So C squared is equal to 36 plus 64. C squared is equal to 100. Remember, this is squared, so we have to take the square root. C is equal to 10. Alright, let's look at one more example. Here I've got my right angle. Opposite is the hypotenuse. Remember, A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. But in this example, I have already got my C value. So it's going to be slightly different. I'm going to call this side A and this side B. I don't know what B is at the moment. So I have got A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. 5 squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So 25 plus B squared is equal to 64. Now I'm going to move this 25 to the other side. So remember, when it crosses the equal sign, it turns to a negative. So I'm going to have B squared is equal to 64 minus 25. B squared is equal to 39. B is equal to the square root of 39. And you can pop that into your calculator and get an exact number, or it's okay just to leave it like that as it is. Have a go and good luck.